Hi and welcome to the May edition of Connector. As you are viewing this video and reading this month's Connector, 50 delegates representing senior executives from the Australian ICT industry and federal and state governments are in San Francisco this week and Washington DC next week. The 10 days includes visits and meetings to over 20 organisations where they will meet with the senior executives of the most successful organisations in the technology industry. They'll be brought up to speed with the very latest in innovations, providing unparalleled learning and networking experiences. This is a member-only delegation and it highlights one of the many benefits of being a member. This year's event was oversubscribed and sold out immediately. Such is the value that our members derive from the opportunities that these delegations provide. Our AIIA Awards competition is nearing the closing stage for entries. Once again, we are encouraging our innovators who believe that they have real-world solutions to solve real-world problems using technology to enter. It is free, it involves you honing your pitch and opens up a world of opportunities. There's no reason not to enter, and also if you know someone who could really benefit from this experience, make sure that you encourage them to enter as well. We are now only a few weeks away from the federal election and our agenda has not changed. It is about skills, investments and a national strategy that sees our economic growth underpinned by the important role that technology plays in protecting and developing globally competitive industries. We know that our message is resonating on both sides of the political spectrum, and the progress we have made over the past few years has been significant. We will continue to educate our political leaders on the substantial opportunities that our industry creates for a strong, independent, sustainable, and globally competitive economy. As we also advance to the end of another financial year, remember, we are here to support you, your organisation, and your industry. You will find many examples of exciting initiatives and opportunities available to you in this month's Connector. Enjoy the read.